placed an order on Stockx, and for people that don't know what Stockx is, it's basically like an eBay, but they do a better job at verifying things. So you can sell stuff and you can buy stuff, and for say if like you buy something, the seller sends it to them, they verify it, make sure it's legit, and then they send it to you. So we've bought things before, but this is the first time we've spent a bigger amount of money on something. The past time I would think it was like shoes. And so this is the box that it comes in. This is like the receipt, and it just tells you, you know, thanks for shopping with Stockx. And so here it is. So Stockx gives you a dust bag whenever you buy handbags and stuff. So it's their own to protect it. And inside is Louis Vuitton dust bag too. And can you see everything from there?
Yes.
Like, okay. You can put that part up. Okay. And here she is. So this is the Louis Vuitton Damier Speedy Bandouliere 30. Well, the color is Damier. So this is a pretty classic bag. It's pretty well known. Everybody's seen this around. Inside comes the strap. So the strap, from what I've like researched, it's what makes it a bandouliere. So here it is. Well, maybe I can. I can have something to put it on. There we go. So this came in pretty excellent condition. Everything looks really brand new. There's no dings on it whatsoever. This was pre-owned, technically. Everything's really perfect. It looks like it just came right out of the store. The hardware's in good condition. Stockx puts this on it whenever they verify it. And so I believe, if I'm not mistaken, if you like cut this off, you can't return it to them. Like, you have to, if you get it in the mail and it's not up to the standards that you think it would be, like this one was excellent, so it's supposed to be pretty brand new, you can, I think, return it and tell them, hey, you know, something's wrong with it. But if you cut this off, that's no longer, like, it's no longer valid. So this is like the red interior, and it also, I'm gonna move this over here. This little zipper, it's the only zipper it has. It doesn't really have much inside. It's just a big black hole. That's what these bags are known for. And inside comes the little key with a lock. So pretty much this is how it comes in the store. The only thing missing is the big orange box that says Louis Vuitton. Everything else is pretty much the way it should be. There's the key. And this, if you want to lock it, you just close it. I think you you can flip it over whichever way, like this, and then you can lock it as you please. I probably won't lock it though, because then I'll lose it and then be left out of my own bag. So yeah, I really like these types of purses because I like to hold them like this, but then also if you're shopping and stuff, it's really a pain in the butt to do that. So you can just clip this on and make it into an easy crossbody, and voila. So there it is. And this bag retails for $14.50. So it's a pretty pricey bag. We got a really good deal on it. It was $8.10. Yeah, $8.10. So pretty much a steal. And so I think Stockx does a pretty good job. Got a pretty good deal. That's it. Thanks for watching.